Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find personalization. Then in this wallpaper section we can choose the album from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got AI wallpaper generator, live wallpapers which are animated ones, static wallpapers and online wallpapers, which means that we can simply download the wallpaper from the online sources. Of course, if you've got the specific account, as you can see, the INFINIX one. But let me choose something from the static wallpapers, and I forgot to say you've got also your own gallery, so you can set your own photos of wallpaper. So let me choose something from the static wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device, so I do not have to log in into the account. And all you have to do to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it. So for example, this one, as you can see, it will immediately apply, will be shown on the full screen, so you can decide whether you like it or not. If you want, you can blur this wallpaper. Simply tap on this drop icon, and now you can change the level of the blurriness. By going to the right you can blur it, and by going to the left you can make it sharp. So it's up to you, of course. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.